So guys, I've just bought this amazing mouse from Amazon in the Great Indian Festival. It is a gaming mouse. It is for office purposes. It is a Razer DeathAdder and I'm very excited to use this. Let me quickly show you the unboxing of this mouse, guys. And after maybe 7 to 10 days of usage, I'm going to post a full review on this YouTube channel itself. So stay subscribed. Let's go ahead and unbox this mouse and see what all we get in the box. Awesome. Let's check what all do we get inside the box. I'll unbox this with my bare hands. This is the bill. This is the DeathAdder X Hyperspeed mouse that we get. It's a gaming mouse. Box is pretty straightforward. Let's quickly unbox this. Alright guys, I hope you're ready. There is some paperwork. We do get a battery as well, so that tells us that this mouse is being powered by AA or AAA batteries, which is again perfect in my opinion. Let's peel this off. Satisfying. Okay, so here is the first look of this mouse. Beautiful, I must say. It is indeed a piece of art, guys. You get some amazing chrome finish here. The scroll wheel is quite silent, very satisfying to use. You do get some padding on the top and the bottom. Well, the logo comes with a shiny finish. Other than that, the entire mouse is made up of matte black finish. It is built out of plastic, but it is very comfortable and it feels very premium to hold in the hand, which is what I like. It has some extra buttons, 2 over here and 2 over here. In total, it comes with 7 buttons, 3 over here and 4 over here. It is quite ergonomic to hold in the hand, I must say. The mouse is gliding like a speedboat on water. It is very ergonomically designed, so your hand rests on the mouse and it is designed for right-handed usage. I'll just look at the shape of these buttons, guys, if you can see. Beautiful. I love the mouse. It is pretty simple to open up this mouse as well. You just need to pull this up and here it opens. There are 2 slots of batteries, one AA battery and one AAA battery. It is a bit lighter when you pair it with the AAA battery. That's what I'm going to do. And you even get these flaps customized from Razer with different colors and patterns. So you can opt for that as well. You get a 2.4 gigahertz receiver on this one. And I'm very excited to see how this will perform in my day-to-day tasks. I just got it off Amazon from the Great Indian Festival at around 1800 something rupees, and it could not be a better deal. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you want to see more of such content, do hit the subscribe button, and also the full review of this mouse will be coming up shortly on our channel. Thank you and have an excellent day, guys.